Today, I can say 3D printing has 6 main advantages. Okay, this slide shows 6 main advantages. What are they? The first advantage is you can combine things together. You know, ढक्कन और उसका पार्ट, उसका हिंज और सबको इकट्ठा करके एक ही पीस करके हमको प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, है ना. सो पार्ट कंसोलिडेशन. आपका एक नेकलेस है, नेकलेस में there are some 250 links. Don't worry, you design in CAD and we'll 3D print it directly. Correct, no? Because CAD में क्या होता है? There is no gravity. CAD में क्या होता है? Gravity नहीं होता है. इसलिए you find an object like this, you know. You can say it's an impossible object. Ball inside a ball inside a ball, right? ये तो हाथ में बना सकता था लोग, है ना. In the if you see in artifacts and all, हाथी का अंदर एक हाथी, उसका पेट में एक और हाथी आप देख सकते हैं. पत्थर में किया हुआ, हाथ में कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. मगर if you want to do it in a CNC or a machine and in large numbers, you cannot do that. You know, हाथ का कमाल है, वो कर सकते हैं. The same thing, this can also be done by हाथ में कर सकते हैं. मगर if you want to do 1000 of the same size, same to same size, consistency बोलते हैं ना, I cannot get it. So it has to be done by a 3D printing. But how do we do that? How the ball went inside, right? That is very interesting thing, you know, how it went inside. So because you're going to create all these things which are hollow, there are a lot of openings here. You can see hexagonal openings here. You can see openings, and the powder is used to make this. So in the CAD, they're all concentric. They're all floating, okay? And you give it to 3D printer, and 3D printer prints. The powder supports, and होने के बाद powder को हम ये करके shake करके we sandblast and remove, and then only the ball inside ball will collapse. Gravity का असर तभी पड़ेगा वो part होने के बाद, पहले नहीं होता, है ना. So this type of assembly is possible. Now jigs and fixtures, if you want in small quantity, करने के लिए बहुत महंगा होगा, using steel or any metal, but doing it by using 3D printer is very cost effective. Need for lightweighting. Lightweighting किधर चाहिए? They send a man to moon, right? So हर gram important होते हैं rocket में, है ना. Even airplane, when they are flying also, you need to put extra oil. You have to burn extra oil to float in air, because against gravity you have to fly. So जितना light हल्का हो सकते हैं उतना easy है. And it is also required हल्का एक और जगह पर हमको चाहिए, that is in jewelry. In jewelry also, people don't want to pay for the gold, but they want to show it, flaunt the gold. You know, I have a nice jewelry. So what you do, you make it lightweight. So lightweighting के लिए jewelry में भी it is very important. So need for lightweighting is there because metal is very costly. Platinum, rhodium, you have gold, different colors, all of them you can do. You can see we have made a ball with studded thing, you know, the fourth one in the bottom row, first one. The complexity is so high. ये complexity कारीगर कर सकते हैं, but it will take a lot of time. और एक किया तो दूसरा करने में उसको not exactly will get. Suppose you want to use it on as a earring on both the sides, they have to be of the same size. वो क्या करेगा, एक एक करके देख के करेगा, it will take more time. Accuracy भी उतना skill के ऊपर depend है ना. And he will charge you more, you know, the labor charge will charge you more because उतना मेहनत करना पड़ेगा उसको, skilled labor को देना पड़ते हैं, वो सब problem है ना. In fact, for jewelry, 3D printing has come as a great boon actually, you know, because it can handle anything today. You want a micro pave, you can have a cloth setting, channel setting, you can have invisible setting, whatever you need. You can all create in CAD, and that can be produced by 3D printer. You know, You want a castable resin, you can do casting also. You can want to do a liquid mold, you can do liquid mold, whatever you want. You want to have a castelled or rubber mold, you can do that also. All that. And one more thing is, in the world today, people are going for customized parts. They need just one part, one object. So how can we make it? Aapka pizza, if you go to Subways, you design your pizza, you design your sandwich, right? And you buy what goes into it. You're the designer. Like that, when people want, it is very difficult to produce in a large factory. Okay. Then also 3D printing becomes very important technology to produce one part. And then in the case of medical, हमारा हड्डी का कुछ recently, couple of days ago, there was a big accident. And the people had their broken limbs, and कैसे break होगा किसी को पता नहीं. So you need to have a matching हड्डी का part. वो कैसे करेंगे? So that is also using 3D printing. People are using with the medical images like CT, MRI. We can recreate the anatomy. Correct? No? So I'm not elaborating on that, but that is also one area where 3D printing is giving a lot of its use.